Ahead of the 2024 season of the Indian Premier League, the two times former champion Kolkata Knight Riders have started their pre-season practice session at the Eden Gardens from Friday. The contingent arrived in Kolkata on Thursday and they came to the Eden Gardens on the next day evening, accompanied by Gautam Gambhir, their new mentor and former skipper, under whom KKR won the championship back in 2012 and 2014. The big guns, of course, the likes of skipper Shreyas Iyer, Andre Russell, Sunil Narayan, Mitchell Starc, they are yet to arrive in Calcutta, but the rest of the boys are already here and they had a feel of the ground before rain cut short their first day practice session. Manish Pandey came to the press conference after the session and he spoke about the importance of Gambhir's presence in the KKR camp, and also he recalled those moments when KKR won the championship under the leadership of Gambhir.